Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when the program is not starting in TCL washing machine. And to fix this, there's a few solutions. So first one, you'll need to make sure that your doors are properly closed. So just shut them down properly and then try it again. Next one is if there's a pause, so you might as well press on the start button twice and then just press on it once again, maybe it will start. Then another one is the power. Maybe there's a power shortage or your washing machine isn't properly connected either to the power or to the water source. Then the last one is the delay feature. Since on this washing machine you have something called the delay feature, it's the button right here. If you press on it, it will delay the start of a program, and that might be the problem as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.